Good morning, all. Today we will explain about how to use. I will explain about how to use solver function add in MS Excel. Okay. See the data in tabular form. A, B, C, D indicates atom, quantity, price, and income respectively. Atom, rice, dal, sugar, and tea with quantity 100, 50, 60, 45 with price 80, 120, 70, 20, 250. Write steps to find total income in D6, and then uh, with help of solver function try to achieve total income of 50,000, and assuming that quantity should be in integer only. Okay. Okay. Then see. Okay, see, um, we can find out income uh, in D2 of rice by multiplying quantity and price per unit. Okay, therefore I will select here first the D2, double click on that, equal to sign, and in bracket B2 into C2, bracket complete, then enter, and then again select D2 and drag fill handle till D5. Okay. Next point is write the find out total income in D6. Okay. Therefore, I will select D2 to D6 and I will click on auto sum. We will get total income, that is about 29,450. Okay. Based on quantity and price of rice, dal, sugar, and tea, we can find out total income for a particular item. Okay. Therefore, our aim is to achieve total income is about 50,000 based on this question. Okay. Using which function? Solver function. Okay. And uh, we can change and uh, how much quantity of rice, dal, sugar, and tea we can change. Okay. Using solver function. See, our target is about 50,000. Total income address of 29,450 is D6. Okay. So first I will select 29,450, that is the D6. Okay. Then click on data tab, data icon, and then click on solver. We will get solver parameter like this. Then click on set objective. Here type D6, that is $D$6. Okay. And then under 2, always select value of, don't select maximum minimum, always select value of, and here type 50,000, type 50,000. Then click on by changing variable cells, please check this address should be B2 to B5 because we are changing quantity of rice, dal, sugar, and tea. Therefore, by changing variable cells should be B2 $B $2 colon $B $5. Okay. And then directly click on solve. Wait for some time and then click on OK. Then see, here you will get the 50,000. Okay. This is your final answer. Means for if you want to achieve total income is about 50,000. Therefore, quantity of rice should be 167, dal 75, 81 sugar, and tea is about 88. Okay. To achieve total income of 50,000. Okay. Next is what, assuming that quantity should be integer only. Therefore, select if the quantity is with combination of integer as well as fractional number, then select that a particular range. Right click, select on format cell and number, then make it decimal value 0 and click OK. This is the procedure using solver function. Okay. Yes. Yes. Next function is use of. There are two types of lookup function: VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, V stands for vertical and H stands for horizontal lookup. Okay. In this example, our aim is to find out HRA and DA in column C and D respectively using VLOOKUP function based on policy table. Your right hand side indicates policy table, which is the address of F22H4 designation HRA DA. This is policy table. Okay. Therefore, see, our aim is to find out HRA and DA for a particular skill person based on VLOOKUP function. Okay. Therefore, first type all this data in Excel like this. Okay. And for HRA, see, address for a peon is B2. Therefore, first I will select, if you want to find out the HRA, first select C2, double click on that, equal to sign, VLOOKUP, double click on that, VLOOKUP, then B2, comma, for policy table, uh, for HRA, uh, range is about F2 to G4. Therefore, here I will type dollar sign, then F $2 colon dollar G $G $4 comma HRA is in policy table, HRA is under second column 2 comma false, bracket complete, and then enter. Okay, again select C2 and drag fill handle to C8. We will get the respective HRA for each employee. Then to find DA using VLOOKUP, again select D2, double click that, equal to sign, please type VLOOKUP, again B2 comma for DA range is from F2 to H4. Therefore, I will type F again 2 colon dollar sign H $4 comma DA is in third column, therefore comma 3 comma false, bracket complete, and just enter. We will get the 5000 value for Sonu. Then select again D2 and drag till D8. Okay, and this is used to find HRA and okay based on policy table. Thank you so much.